That's the city of Doha, the modern city of Doha. This is the city of New Delhi down there. What a sprawling city. About to land in New Delhi. Look at the city down there. We are close to landing now. This is New Delhi or Delhi, India, the capital of India. We're real close to landing now. Look at that house with the swimming pool down there. We're getting closer. All that traffic. Yep, we're about to land now. New Delhi, India, here we come. Like that, we are in India. People rushing off of Air Indigo in New Delhi. This is something else. They just boogered it. Some guy just jammed me up. This is New Delhi Air Indigo.